Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Scott Young. I'm a professor here in the School of Education. One of my roles is overseeing the school's innovation initiative, Impact Through Innovation. In this video, I'll give you an overview of Kickbox, which is an innovation toolkit designed to help you become an innovator. So why innovation? In the world of work, you will be expected to solve real-world problems of education, to generate possible solutions, and to drive change. However, there are few opportunities for students to practice these skills until now. Kickbox provides you with 5 steps that guide you through the innovation process. And at the end, you will have generated an idea, talked to experts, refined your idea, received feedback, and created something new. So why Kickbox? Kickbox guides you through a step-by-step process of solving real-world problems of education that you will identify. The innovation steps you will go through are inception, ideation, improvement, investigation, and creation, which I'll explain more in the following videos. So you might be wondering, what do I have to do? Well, it's pretty simple. You're going to explore a problem that you see in the field of education. You're going to follow the steps in the Kickbox to decide on an idea. You're going to use the tools and the resources in the box to develop your idea. And then you'll create something new that might help to address the problem. That's it. So what's in the Kickbox? There are 5 cards, each of which explains one of the innovation steps. There's resources for helping you improve your idea. There's a presentation guideline for sharing your idea with a potential user. And there's a Visa gift card for $250. These funds can be used for anything that helps you improve your idea. All that we ask is that you save your receipts and turn those in along with a Visa gift card if there are any unused funds. So how can we help? You can go to the Self-Design Studio, which is on the 3rd floor of the School of Education building. The Self-Design Studio is a makerspace where students can learn and create with hands-on resources and activities. Also, I'm available to meet with you virtually or in person to help you through any part of the process. I'm only an email away. Finally, if there's something you need as you move through the innovation steps, perhaps something that we haven't even thought of yet, please ask. My job is to help you be successful. So what have other students created using Kickbox? One group of students use a decision tree software program to help high school students decide on what colleges they may want to attend. The high school students could then take a virtual tour using VR goggles. Another student who lived in rural South Carolina and in an online program here in the School of Education was able to work with community leaders to bring broadband internet service to community centers that students could use for homework and other projects. A student who was interning in an elementary school created a book club for 4th grade girls. The students were able to select the books, design the reading club, and even lead it with the goal of increasing their confidence in their reading skills. Later, they were able to be reading tutors to other students. So in the next videos, I'll walk you through each step of the Kickbox process, and we'll take a deep dive into the innovation steps.